This is where the Sanborn Bridge used to be. It's all over there on the other side of the river now. This bridge was moved here from the other end of Center Street. The bridge you're used to seeing, the Miller's Run Bridge by my house, is on the other end of Center Street. So this bridge was moved in 1960. I remember watching it being moved as I was sitting on the steps of the Tap and Die, and my father took a picture. I have a picture of it if I can find it. And it was moved here, so it's been a part of my life. Thought it'd make a good addition to my life with the bridge. Foundations have really taken a beating, and they plan on restoring it, and we'll see what that looks like when it is done, hopefully in a year or two. And here's its final resting place for now. They're just piling it all up here. Cover it up for the winter, I guess. So that's what it looks like now. I'll show you a video, it's a quick video of how they took it apart. Oh, so it's not all at once, coming off in
Not
5
for the
pieces?
roof, no. Roof's coming up. Well, that's what I was told anyway.
Yeah.
Contractor. Well, you don't see that every day.
So they laid the second piece right here. And we have liftoff. Didn't take quite so long to hook this one up. They did really well at that. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit. I wonder if it's playing with it. Got that rope dangling. Nobody's able to get on the end of it. Not sure where they're going to set this one, if it's behind the other two somewhere, but I didn't see a third flatbed to put it on, so I wonder what they're going to do. Once they lower it a little bit, I'll go over on the other side and check it out. I guess they're going to put it on that flat bed. I see them clearing that off now. It's just hanging there waiting for a place to go. Maybe that that crane operator right there.
Nice kid. He's 22 years old. Young kid.
How much do you suppose it costs to have that crane here all day?
The cost of the crane?
Yeah.
$3.25 million. $3,250,000.
Seriously?
Yeah.
$3,250,000. That's hard to believe. I guess they're going to put that right behind that box. The wind's picking up, causing some problems there.
Huh?
The wind's picking up, causing some problems.
Sure is. That is dangerous if someone hanging on
Yeah. It just broke loose as sudden as a broken shoestring. Well, they got it now.
Yeah.
You were right when you said it this morning. You don't see that every day.
Yeah.
And that'll be a while before they get that last section ready. Here it is, day 2, getting ready to lift the 2 side sections. All the roof sections have been put in place here. The crane started out pretty early this morning. It looks like they're taking safety lines off here. This guy right here, and this guy right here. Taking planks off. And it looks like something went in the water.
The drone.
That's got to be cold. I didn't see anything fall, so I'm not sure what he's looking for.
I think it's the drone. The drone spot.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
He's not looking far enough downstream then, because that's gone.
It's just a light plastic thing that just float down the river. That's the sinking.
Collateral damage. Got a lot of tension off this side. It's raised up about 2 feet here. Once they get all the support wires and bracing off, it'll come the rest of the way. And away we go. She's going up. it is over its resting place. Now to get it set in place.
It is.
So I guess we're going to turn it around and lay it down the other way.
Where's it going?
It's going to go right there.
By the concrete blocks?
I don't know if they're going to lay it down or stand it up. I think they're going to lay them down.
You could turn it around so those cross pieces would be sticking up.
Guess I was going by at the right time.
One more piece to go. They said the last one was well over 21,000 pounds. This one has a little extra lumber to it, along with some other things, so I can't imagine how much that weighs.